If you think model dating is tough, welcome to my windowsill. Yesterday, I looked into this stagnant water glass and stumbled upon a literal microscopic love story. Look at these two ciliates. They are glued to each other, swimming in a perfect synchronization. Are they cuddling? Is it a micro-wedding? Well, it's complicated. This phenomenon is called conjugation, and it's one of the biggest paradoxes in biology. You see, in the human world, the whole biological point of romance is to eventually make babies. But for these guys, this process produces exactly zero offspring. Two independent single-celled organisms press their bellies together, build a temporary microscopic tunnel between their bodies, and start exchanging parts of their DNA. They are literally updating their software. When they are done, they just split up and swim away as the exact same two individual cells. No children, no child support, just pure genetic networking. Why do they do this? Because life in a forgotten windowsill glass gets brutal. The food runs out and their old DNA just can't handle the stress. So they find a partner, mix up their genes, and create brand new genetic shield to survive the apocalypse. It's not love, it's a desperate survival strategy masquerading as a slow motion hug.